What's up, Ashton? Insta, what's good, brother? You been putting in that work and stuff. Fucking love to see it, man. That's what I do, so I like to hear, bro. What's up, Ashraf? Syed, what's up? What's up? Trend home, what's up, my brother? It's good to see you guys. It's good to see you guys. All right. Yesterday we caught a win. Let's see if we can follow all the rules. That's obviously goal number one. And if we can catch a win, maybe we can get a win streak going here. But for now, focus. Another Asia expansion, bro. Oh, this is gold. Oops. I was gonna say, it still might be Asia expansion though. I mean, I've seen worse. Definitely have seen worse. Greetings from Germany. What's up, my man? Larissa. KKKKKK. What's up? Shizzler. We're not trading crypto. It's good, Trevor. How are you, bro? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm good. Definitely good. Today, we're not going to make that mistake. We're going to mark on NASDAQ. Trade on MNQ. So let's trade of 8. What's ICT? ICT is a person named Inner Circle Trader who teaches smart money concepts. Let's leave it at that for now. Okay. Hoping for the double approach to the downside right now. Okay, okay. Teach me options. You gotta learn the Greeks. You gotta learn the Greeks. She's been tough for you, Pablo. For me, I think we had one break even, which we should have 2 RTP'd that one. That was a mistake, but we had 1 break even and then 1 win for this week, right? I didn't lose this week, I don't think. I don't know. You look at news? Yeah, I mean, not the number, but the news itself for sure. For sure, for sure. Today we have... Today's Wednesday? Oh, I thought it was Thursday. Ooh, nice. So today, we might actually have... Yeah, we might actually have potentially a non-seek and destroy day. I feel like, you know, we definitely still could. 8:30 preliminary. What happened at 8:30? Not much. This wick here. And then we got 10 a.m. core PCE price index. Okay. What's up, Jacob? Mitchell, what's up, my brother? Okay, cool. Let's wait for the people to join up. We don't try and predict news, Isaiah. Not here. We don't predict news. We predict everything else, though. What's up, Sarvan? Roll Told was so good today. What prop firms do I recommend? For futures, I recommend Top Step number 1. My Fund Futures number 2. Apex number 3. For Forex, honestly, I've only ever tried funded by traders and they pretty much were perfect for me, so never even explored more. What's the indicator? Yo, speaking of, for any of my people in GEMS, right, you guys need to put on this indicator. Okay, Asia, London are the ones I always mark out because I want to see what happened going into New York. Previous PM, I also almost always mark out because the algorithm will, because remember, previous PM session, why is it so important? This is for you, Insta, Trend Home, and if anyone else is here. The reason previous PM session is important, because if you go to regular trading hours, it's going to look like this. it's just gonna be like the last. Remember the regular trading hours is there's 2 4-hour candles, so this is the low of the previous 4 hours. So they're gonna refer back to this. Yep. So always mark out your previous PM session as well, because in regular trading hours, right? This isn't taken yet. In regular trading hours, it's like this. See, nothing's taken yet. So just always know we have the sell side level here for sure. That's a key level. And then we look at the daily. I didn't even see what happened on the daily. Still Monday high of week. We closed above 50% of the wick. No, we didn't, but we failed to take previous day high, fell short. Is there an SMT there? No. Oh wait, there might be. SMT at previous day high. We're really close to all-time highs. I mean, and I don't know if today is gonna be bearish or not. I mean, we're probably gonna have, and that's a large new day opening gap. New day opening gap high. It's a new day opening gap. Are we closing open? New day opening gap low. It might be like lower and then higher today. It might be lower and then higher. Yeah, look at your weekly open here. So this could be Tuesday low of week. Yeah, no, we're gonna have to wait for some confirmation here and look more intraday. I still see it pretty 50-50 on the daily chart. ES, just because ES is way more bullish, it's pretty close to all-time highs. It's 10 points away. Usually it'll just run the high. What is new day opening gap? I'll explain to you in 1 second, brother. DXY making so much confusion. Any insights on the trading before the holidays? Usually everything pumps up before going into the break, but that's just a tendency, right? We don't have to. What is your November P&L? I don't know. Something definitely in the negatives though. We're looking for shorts, right? Why do people trade ICT when he's proven to be a fraud who can't trade? I don't think he can trade. Have you seen 2023? 2024? Have you been profitable since trading? Last couple of months, I need to put a banner. Someone asks me this every time. Is there any course or training you need to attend? I need to attend for beginners. I would just learn from ICT on YouTube. And what's up? Yeah, no, it's definitely 50-50 for me. So we'll wait for, I really do like these lows. We could get a New York reversal. I really do like these lows, but I'm not gonna make any full predictions yet. So someone asked me new day opening gap. Don't listen to Dane, but I mean people are gonna. You trade ICT, but don't think he's profitable. No, I definitely think he's profitable. Someone in chat. I was reading a chat comment on TikTok. What's your bias in DOL? No clear bias right now. I'm still 50-50 on the daily, just because ES is pretty close to all-time highs. I definitely think we can bump the high there. No clear manipulation on the week, right? I mean, we took Tuesday's low. No key level, traded into really. Still just pretty choppy. So we'll have to see. So far intraday, yeah, I mean, it definitely looks like we can come for these lows. And if we get a double push to the downside, I would not mind shorting towards those lows. I would not mind. How's our opening range gap looking like? This is opening range gap high. All right, that's 2100. We're trading at, okay, we have a 50-point gap forming, so another reason to potentially go up. This is your 15-minute SIBI, or your 15-minute breaker. with your midnight open. We'll watch how price reacts. I mean, we have news, so we'll probably be waiting for news. What's up, Chico? I would recommend for anyone who's trying to trade NQ, watch 2022 and 2024. That's exactly what I'm looking at right now. Sarcasm is the best pain relief. Have you heard about 2006 mentorship? No. Look for shorts. Hope you were best. Appreciate you, bro. Yep, I'm going to be waiting for core price PCE most likely. Unless we get a really good setup going into... unless we get a nice setup to trade the manipulation leg, which I'm expecting. These lows look really good. Then I would take it, but what time is the news? So there's a smaller news at 9:45. There's a bigger news at 10 a.m. Because he's improving, trader. He's improving. Which firm you recommend to a beginner? Top Step, My Fund Futures are both good. He's improving. Hopefully we see 966 data high and before we're gonna get set up lower. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind another leg high. Like I said, if we get a double purge going into 10, I'll take it. I'll take it. Or even just a regular purge. So one of my students said, you want to see a double purge. But it can also just be a single. Sometimes if you're bearish, it can just do this. It doesn't have to do like that. This is just a signature I showed you guys, but it can just do this as long as there's manipulation up, right? Because we're looking for these lows. Are you an actual profitable trader? I don't know. Not the last couple months. I got some payouts before that. Yeah, they look really nice. I definitely think we can run those lows. You know, like on the super higher time frame, I do favor lower prices, but just haven't got that reversal confirmation. So. All right, going into 9:30. So we do have that accumulation pre-market right here. Tradify is best. Yeah, Tradify I heard is good. I've never tried them personally. You don't have to explain yourself, Insta. What are you trading? NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures. Business is launching on Coinbase. That's actually sad because, you know, I owned it at like a while ago. Near continuation. No, it wouldn't be a continuation for that much. That wouldn't be the... Why don't you trade Forex? Futures is better. It's more precise, centrally traded. You get tax benefits. But I do also trade Forex sometimes on the side. It wouldn't be a continuation. It is a high day. Right now, I think it's going to go down to these lows. But unless we get a manipulation up, then I don't think I'll trade that move, and we'll just wait till 10. Short GJ? Maybe, bro, if your model says so. If your model says so. All right, we're about to open up here. Did you have any plan to have a training and course for beginners? The truth is, bro, there's no point in me doing a thing for beginners. You might as well just learn from ICT on YouTube. It's the best, honestly, it's probably the best place you can go, and it's free. So, if you're totally brand new, I would just go to his YouTube. Let's see if we can get those equal lows like we said. Yep, I would do deviations in this case, but I'm expecting a potential New York reversal, so I'm not even going there yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. What I would deviate is this. Because this is our manipulation so far, but it's not from midnight opening. Sorry, this one. It's not from midnight opening, so for me, it's not even valid. This is a weird market, right? Asia high of day. Asia affirming a reversal from previous day high. SMT looks like this. Not clean. We haven't had accumulation besides pre-market New York. So, and there we go. We went straight for those lows like we said. Not tradable, obviously. I mean, We're not gonna put a limit order there, but yeah, we went straight for those lows. I will say one thing though. When you see a move like this, order flow is really bearish. If it's really bearish order flow, don't expect a New York reversal. Sometimes it's best to just either leave. We already hit -2 from the midnight opening. This might just continue lower, if I'm being honest. I favor lower prices. I don't want that to persuade me though, but I do favor lower prices on the daily. I want us to get away from all-time highs. We came so close on ES though, so it's always skeptical. Let's see. We have our reversal deviation marked. We'll definitely just wait till probably 9:45 or 10. What's up, Chico? Why is this loading so slowly? Back into that new week opening gap and low. So you guys can see the manipulation from midnight opening. So forget Asia. Midnight opening manipulation leg. Actually, this would be your last leg. -2 was hit already in London, no problem. If you weren't the full impulse leg, you hit -2. What's up, Bo? How do I use pending orders? You just same thing. Just put the order. If I were you, I wouldn't put the order on the inversion though. I would just put it right where the market's trading, and you know it's gonna just tick up. Would you not look for longs today or what? I'm gonna wait before I make any decisions on buys. I'll be waiting. Please could you explain a little bit more? So I mean, look like this. So I'll just log into paper trading to show you. So pretend this is an inversion, right? So just put your limit like this. Like just as soon as, okay, that was too fast to see, but just put your limit order as soon as the inversion happens. Just put your limit order wherever price is, just to guarantee a fill. Does that make sense? Because usually you want to enter on the market, right? But if you want to get the limit, then yeah, it's out of sync. We're just gonna wait till 10. And there's no point in doing this. Yeah, this is futures. Yo, what's up, McLovin? Yeah, we purge these equal lows. What's up, Foo? Toffee, welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So not much here. Similar as yesterday. We marked out these equal lows, right? Just because they're super clean, and we immediately went there. ES hasn't taken them yet, so we will mark those out. And we're just gonna wait probably, Toffee, until like 10, because we have news. Yep, Toffee, I got you, bro. Of course. No, it's been 5 minutes. Usually I don't trade early into the session. Liquidity sweep on the 5 minute. You see my chart on the right here? See this low? He swept it. What you expect for this trade? I'm not even going to try and predict. I'm just going to wait till 10. I expected it to come down here. It did so in 1 minute. So obviously not tradable unless we manipulate it higher. Markets are out of sync. It's not high probability yet. We'll just wait. There is an hourly imbalance here. Yep, good stuff, Toffee. Good stuff. It's just the daily chart is not clear, you know? And when the daily chart's not clear, part of me just, I'm thinking potential range. Although we have the news, economic calendar says we're probably going to move today. A new week opening gap, I guess, but we're still just in yesterday's range. It's really hard to frame, like, it's not like we went above yesterday, then we get a retracement into yesterday and then pump. We're just trading into 50% of the range. It could go either way. ES is so close to all-time highs. I'm favoring a long here. I mean, I'm not looking to short this for sure. It's too low. But I guess we just, yeah, I'll probably go back into the range. Yeah, we'll have to just see. Hopefully we'll wait till 10. See if it gets clear. Yeah, no trade until we take the yesterday's low. I don't know about that one. If it takes yesterday low, you probably just missed the move, brother. That's a large move. Is it going back up? I don't know, maybe. No confirmation of it yet. If we get a breaker here, it could go higher. This would be your classic reversal, but we'll just wait and see. Did we actually? What chart? What chart, Alibaba? What candlestick are you waiting for? If anyone else has messaged you claiming to be me, it's not me, yo. It's someone pretending. What candle am I waiting for? I'm not waiting for anything specific right now. I'm waiting for time. What will you look for at 10? What will give you the conviction for buying? If we're respecting the hourly and we get a breaker, but there's going to be like 20 minutes of information leading up until 10. So that's what I'm really waiting up for. Yeah, 9:30 dump, Sergio. You saw those equal lows too, I'm guessing? Yeah, it's really, really nice equal lows. Yeah, I don't trade it, but that's a really good move. Yeah, on the 15-minute. Yeah, for sure. That was really nice. Yeah, right here, right above midnight opening as well. I mean, look, we're two options here. Either this is high protected, or this is a New York reversal. So we're just gonna have to figure out which one. Oh, Kai? Hey. What coin to invest? Bro, I don't know. I haven't done any crypto trades. Actually, you know what? I won a crypto trade yesterday. I bought, no way it kept going up. I bought this shit. And I bought it all the way down here. Damn, it kept going, huh? Well, I got my 2x. I remember where I bought it. It was like 800K. You bought this one too? Damn. I bought it before I went to bed. You sold it at 2x as well? Yeah. I got it pretty early. I got it like right before. What time did I buy it? It was like... Is this AM? I feel like I bought it like... Yeah, 900. Probably 900 to 2 I sold. Yeah, I sold it at 2. I sold it at 2. I remember. I think I got 900K to 2. That's the last one I did. Where are you from? Toronto. Place a buy stop on the first objective. Previous favorite. And the opening gap low. Do I use ICT models for meme coins? Absolutely not, bro. I know. But I bet you the second you hold, it's just a 2x and just... They'd be doing that shit. My kill zones for ICT. Here you go, brother. When's the best time to buy a coin? Depends if you're trying to find a runner or you're just trying to find a quick 2x. What is the difference between liquidity sweep and run on liquidity? Liquidity sweep frames a reversal. A run on liquidity is the reversal's already happened and it's distributing. PO3 for meme coins is outrageous. Yeah, just buy below the daily open. What's the best meme coin? Bro. Come on, bro. What type of question is that, bro? The best meme coin? I don't fucking know. I heard good things about Dub. Search up Dub. I heard good things about it, but I don't know. My analysis on NQ is I'm thinking this could potentially be a New York reversal. It's possible. This is New York reversal. No confirmations of that so far. Could it be a seek and destroy day? That's something you always need to ask. Could it just go back into the range and not do much? It's possible. I mean, look at ES. When the markets are out of sync like that, that's a possible high resistance condition. We should start a gem coin. I would full port gems coin. I would also full port gems coin. London reversal near continuation. It's I know what, I would love that if London took out Asia's high, but it did not. So for me, it's not that clean. Although we did get protraction from midnight opening. And we didn't hit -4 yet. So if this is going to be, right, we could potentially see previous day low. Or Monday's low, sorry. From London's. We did hit -4 from the impulse leg, though. This could be an NFT, but I think you guys are the only people. Everyone else will be like, what the fuck is that, bro? Rismus get in early? Bro, you know what? I did get in early, but I also closed it early. So I'm butthurt now. Were that deviations? Yep, those were deviations. So I'm deviating the range from London, going up. If you ignore Asia, pre-market. Just look at this. Yeah, you know what? If we take Monday's lows, Thursday is going to be a nice day, right? Because you'll probably expect Thursday to continue. But it's a long way. You trade futures? Yep. You need to teach me standard projections. I will show you. We'll start with the most simple one, which is what we're going to wait for. It's just going to be your distribution projection. Just a distribution projections. Which I will teach. Nah, no trades yet. So we're going to get more information here going into 10. And we'll see if we get something more clear. Appreciate everyone coming on YouTube and TikTok, yo. This reversal was so free. What reversal, bro? London? It's the only reversal. Probably not, Jay. They're so stingy, bro, I swear. You're saying bullish reversal, Harris? Yeah, December usually is hard price action. Yep, it's indicator monster. This could potentially be, yep, this for sure could be a manipulation. And then we get a New York reversal. It's possible for sure. Just no confirmations yet. What's your bias? I'm still waiting for 10. No point in me trying to guess. This could be a New York reversal, but it doesn't look like it yet. ES did take previous day high. ES did take previous day high. That's a very important piece of information. Yeah, so if ES took all-time highs, it would be a lot easier. Are you gonna trade on live? What do you mean on live? Yeah, if I'm here, if I take a trade, I'll take it. Yep, the CME charts. Exactly, CME charts. Bless you. Appreciate you. This is your kill zone right here. I'm in the indicator. Holy shit, so many people said bless you. Bro, when I was in school and I used to sneeze, bro, no one would ever bless me, bro. It would just be like, achoo. And no one gave a fuck, bro. Ever. But when the girl sneezes, bro, everyone says bless you. No. It's always the CME chart. Yeah, but now I'm up. Now I got multiple blesses. Pussy power, bro. Yeah. Yo, Alibaba, bro. Alibaba. It's always the CME data group. The issue I made yesterday was I was looking at the micro and not the NASDAQ. But it's always going to be CME, see? So it's always going to be CME. Both my charts are CME. But it's just not the you got to look at the macro. Took 810 off right off the opening. Nice. Yep, really good trade. You know, I don't have a model for pre-market. This is definitely tradable, though. You know, especially if you got in at like 8 or 1. Just held it through. You're beginning to think you're a god? Listen, I'm proud of you, bro. Keep it up. But don't think like that. You're just here to make it happen, you know? Don't get entitled. Once you get entitled and you lose, it's going to hurt more. But I hope you never lose, bro. Deadass, I hope you never lose. I don't like trading pre-market because sometimes it does whatever. Yeah, the pre-market, you need to know. Can you trade New York opening or is it hard to predict? Yeah, I always trade New York opening. New York opening is my best. So far, the last 7 days, we're 6-1 for predicting what happens. I only took one winning trade, one break even. We need to work on executing, but predicting, no problem. Some people in my chat probably have caught better wins on the predictions. Macros are last 10 minutes of the 4-hour close and the first 10 minutes of the new 4-hour. Not 4-hour, 1 hour. Every hour, brother. Every hour there's a macro. I got entitled and blew an account and got depressed. Yep, been there multiple times. You feel like a fucking G. You feel like you can't lose. Every fair value gap goes in your favor. And all of a sudden, your account's gone. And you feel like you don't know anything anymore. That's literally what happened to me. So, New York reversal. So London went down. If New York is going to reverse, it means we know it's going to go up here. That's one scenario. Let's play the scenarios out so people understand. One scenario is this is a manipulation to the new week opening gap low, weekly open, maybe this hourly fair value gap, the sell side, whatever. And then we undo the entire move and the week is going to be bullish. Wednesday and Thursday going into Friday. That's one possible scenario. The second possible scenario is we're going to be ranging today. So now that we took those range lows, we're just going to come back into the range. It doesn't need to keep going, but it can just come back up into the range. So it could be a retracement or a reversal, but just no continuation. That's option 2. Option 3 is we trade up into this 50-minute fair value gap and then come down to, we start, trading towards Monday's low. The reason I say Monday's low is because right now we're thinking in the context of weekly power of 3, right? Look at the weekly candle. This is your weekly candle. Which direction is it going? Eventually, it's going to have that point where it switches. So let's say potentially it's going to be Monday high of week. If you know Monday is going to be the high of week, hypothetically, 100%, you know it's going to come lower, right? It's pretty rare that it's just going to stay inside Tuesday's range. It'll probably go lower. It could be a seek and destroy. Yeah, if it goes back into the range and then just dances around like that, yeah, it'll be a seek and destroy. I don't favor that because today we had 2 high economic impact news. I'd want to see the body of the weekly candle starting to form, you know? So I wouldn't favor a seek and destroy here, but it's definitely possible. My favorite scenario would be Monday's low. Because if we take Monday's low, Thursday should be pretty clear. 10:30 for cookie. It's not every day, bro. We buying Rismus, bro? Buy it, bro. Shit, you're not telling me, bro. Buy it. Buy it. Every day, 10:30. Seek and destroy. Anyways, we just entered the macro, so we can watch price here. Tomorrow's a bank holiday? I don't think market's closed. I think just the banks, right? Is it actually closed tomorrow? Gatie about to be a millionaire next year? That's what I'm saying, bro. Good morning, 84. Buy Katana long-term project. Wait, market's closed tomorrow? What even is tomorrow, bro? It's November. I don't see anything. Thanksgiving. Let me quickly check. November 28th. Yeah, it says November 28th. I think it might be those are New York Stock Exchange. Any ideas about Doge going up? What are you, Canadian? Yeah, I am Canadian, bro. Okay, Alibaba, listen. All trades are using the CME data. It's not CME chart. It's your CME data. So, okay, I guess it is the chart. Your CME data, right? What do you use for news? Forex Factory. It's always the CME data. Okay? But there's 2 NASDAQ. You can trade NASDAQ futures. So, NQ, which is the bigger one. The E-mini, right? The E-mini NASDAQ. Or you can trade the micro, which is the micro E-mini. Yep, waiting for 10 a.m. as well. Friday's markets close at 1. So tomorrow, Friday's a half day. Thursday, I think, is fully closed. Damn. So we might get seek and destroy that. We might actually get seek and destroy. So I favor a long here, but I mean, look at the ES, bro. But when are we gonna get some nice price action? Man, look at ES. It's like the same thing. Just ignore this candle, and then all you see is this. Did you say 10:30 reversal? Shit, it's starting to look like it, huh? What is seek and destroy? You see this on my right chart here? Buy side, sell side, buy side, sell side. Always the rejection blocks and seek and destroy. Remember what I said? Don't aim for any buy side. Aim for the rejection block. It always puts in equal highs and lows. That's why. We still could get to Monday's low. We'll just have to see. This does look like there's no. If there was a manipulation here, this would be like A+, and I would take this. But there's just nothing here, so we'll just have to wait. Is your bias? Ask me again in 5 minutes. It looks like an accumulation. Did you get this short? No. How many PA? I don't have any PA counts right now, bro. We're on 4 evals. Yeah, we have SMT in the hourly, but we have only 4 evals right now, cold blood. I lost my PAs, I think Friday it was. All right, we're approaching 10. Let's lock in here. You got the short past the eval. Nice, bro. Well done. Sorry about Toffee. Yes, for sure. We refer to that data point as data high. So right here, 8:30. Data high. 100%, brother. Sorry, missed your question. Been trading for about a year. All right, let's lock in here. So far we accumulated pre-market, dropped, reaccumulated, dropped. Signs of reversal would be a breaker here, which I wouldn't mind trading. We'd have to get a breaker. Took the 4-hour sell side there. Also, your negative 4 standard deviations from. No, I don't trade pre-market. No, I don't care about FUGs and meme coins. All I care about is volume and hype in Telegram and Twitter and all that stuff. Are you quickly able to explain SMT? Sure. I'll draw it for you and you'll be able to understand. See the difference? Let me know if you see the difference. All right, first confirmation would be a CISD. So let's see if we get it. Would be your first confirmation. What? Yeah. So again, two options. We either get the reversal here or the continuation from the 15 towards Monday's low. I would like the continuation. I would like the continuation if I'm being honest. CISD basically just means we're switching from sell side delivery to buy side delivery. I would prefer the continuation if I'm being honest. Yeah. Because then we'd have 10 a.m. manipulate up. 10 a.m. PO3 with a line. The only issue is it could definitely be a reversal and it would run right through this 15-minute takeout data highs, maybe all the way, or like we just have to wait and see. You know, there's no point in. For now, we're looking at this 15-minute fair value gap. If it just goes lower here, I'm not even interested anyways. Do you trade currency pairs? And if no, why not? What broker do you use? I trade, yeah, I do sometimes. I trade currency pairs. Sometimes. When I do it on live, I do it with Oanda. Yeah, I'm waiting for news. I'm not taking anything. I'm waiting for news. Let's mark out our 10 a.m. open. It's gonna appear here any second now. I'm gonna delete this SMT because it doesn't really mean anything to me right now. $825. What's that? $825. Maybe the 4-hour. Just wait. How do you trade Nasdaq in USA? Bro, I need a broker. I'm using prop firms. Yeah, there's a big discrepancy now. It's a big discrepancy. Okay, so 10 a.m. open. Small accumulation here. So far, 10 a.m. goes down. Let's see if we take out this low. No idea, no man. I'm not even an investor like that. I haven't bought any stocks in a while. I've been waiting for lower prices. I want to see, do we respect this fair value gap at 10 a.m. and then get the CISD? Cheapest futures prop firm. Assuming you pass the account, then my funded futures would be cheapest, 50K starter. Because you pay initially more upfront, but then you don't have This should become your order block right here. The candles that swept liquidity that got closed over. This would be your order block. I would just look, if you have struggled identifying PD arrays, I would just look at what's it called? The ebook 2016 mentorship price action, month 4. All right, let's see. So we took out the sell side there at 10 a.m. We didn't invert the hourly, but unless we start to wick, yeah, I would just, I wouldn't expect that move higher to the 15. Which candle is the OB? None right now. No move above 10 a.m. So I would use this deviation, see if we can project a higher low. ES just took the sell side there, so. Okay. That's what I'm looking at here. Let's see if we get the breaker. We'll just wait for the breaker here. Even this is 2R. If we do get the breaker, gotta go on this chart. If we do get the breaker block here, we could do 6 micros on this trade if we get the breaker. Let's see if we get the breaker. I don't mind it because the 10 a.m. power of 3. Let's see. Would have to break even at this high though, for sure, because your 15-minute fair value gap's there. Let's see if we get it. Why do I not have a marking for CISD, man? Just focusing up here, guys. See if we get it. Make sure the 3-5-minute align. There's a 5-minute fair value gap there. So if not only do I need a CISD, I want to see like almost a fair value gap form going into it. CISD is a change in the state delivery gap. So just seeing from sell side to buy side, basically these black candles that went lower that took the liquidity, I want to see, do we have what it takes to undo that move, kind of, if that makes sense. I also want to see us respect this hourly. Probably just take it off at 2. I don't really favor a reversal here. I mean, this could just be a retracement, which is why I would just do a simple 2R. No CISD. See how it's getting slow? Liquidities, stop losses. This is NASDAQ. ES to take a London high and continue lower. That's a lot of movement. That's a lot of movement, brother. For it to go all the way up there and then again go all the way down, I don't know if that's happening. I think London high is protected. I don't think we go above London. Nothing here, yeah. No CISD. Yeah, TP at the 50 minutes not a bad idea, but it might not even go there. We got the 50-minute immediate rebalance. It could just dump here. Could just dump here, right? Monday's low is obviously one of our key levels that we talked about. Like I said. It's not even the same. If we get the invert this USD now, it's not as good as it was. Keep thinking. It's pretty 50-50 for me still. I like Monday's low as a potential objective. I like this 50-minute fair value gap for potential shorts. It also could be a New York reversal, 10 a.m. reversal. Right now, it's just still choppy, so nothing to be excited about. It's still pretty it's just chopping. Let's mark out the 50% of Tuesday's wick. I see it both sides though. It's seeming like a high resistance liquidity day, to be honest. Yeah, no, this is not a CISD, no. Not a CISD. Think about it like this. Just go to the 2-minute chart. You see one? Nope. That's why I always use the series as well. There's 10 micro contracts and 1 mini contract. Just choppy still. Yeah, nothing tradable here in my opinion. Even this, we're gonna get the CISD breaker, and it's gonna be, unless we get a fair value gap with it, I'm not even gonna trust it. If we do get a fair value gap with it, I mean, we'll have to see. I would trade the micros. You think reversal, like you think retracement here, then continuation? I don't know if we'll even get to the... Anything happen? No. We're still pretty 50-50. I mean, Monday's low is an objective that I would want to see met. That's for sure. But if it doesn't need to be expansive today. It could just go back into the range. Yeah, Mari, maybe. I mean, yeah, I favor the long here because if we do get up here, see the hourly fair value gap that we marked out, it'll be leaving it. We'll kind of be using it as a support level, kind of, if that makes sense. Who said it's a bank holiday tomorrow? A couple people in chat. I haven't confirmed that yet. Let me search it up quickly since not much is happening. Take a high and low from London, you get your entry on -1. Entry long or short? Are you doing tomorrow? I think tomorrow's closed. Market's closed. Yep, it won't be on Forex Factory, brother. The bank, it's not just a bank holiday, it's a holiday. So you know what that means. Are meme coins open? Meme coin stream? Should I do my first meme coin stream? I like Top Step, Mari. Top Step's good. Yeah, see, no CISD there. Man, if there's an SMT here, we could maybe trust it a little bit more. But I'm a Top Step glazer. I'm a Top Step glazer too, bro. No one prefers Top Step, I feel like, but I love Top Step, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I literally reached out to them. I was like, yo, please give me a code. I swear I'll get you guys so many fucking sales. Because I only use your shit and my whole community knows it. They're like, nah. Apex number 3 for me. Is Silver Bullet good? Silver Bullet is still good. Yep, there's definitely an SMT higher time frame. Not much is happening here. I don't even like this chain to stay delivery anymore because I wanted to see it I wanted to see it touch and then react right away. We see how we just started to chop around? So not much is happening. What does that tell me? What does that tell me? So either this is time distortion and then we're going to see a real move, but it's already kind of prime time to distribute, right? We came all the way down here. If we're going to reverse, it's going to happen now, you know? So Kooky, don't say it. This guy's going to say it at 10:30. The fact that nothing's happening is telling me that the market's not in a hurry to go anywhere, you know? It's not in a hurry to go anywhere. Not right now, at least. We just put in a bearish fair value gap. Let's see if this could deliver to Monday's low, but I would never trade this. 5-minute propulsion block there. We didn't even touch the 5-minute fair value gap. Bro, I don't know what you're talking about, Karix, but there is no entry long here, bro. Like, I don't know how many times you're going to say it, bro. I don't see a single entry long. I don't care what deviation level we're at. There is no long entry. Not for me. You think it's a reversal? I think it's possible, but like I said, my favorite scenario is Monday's low. But I would never trade. I never traded like this. Nah, I don't think we're going all the way down here just for the M30 fair value gap. And this looks like it's gonna dump. What time is Silver Bullet and why don't you trade it? Silver Bullet entry could be right here, bro. This could be your Silver Bullet fair value gap. This could be your Silver Bullet fair value gap right there. I would be break even if I went on this trade right now. Break even so good. You get the wick covered and the new fair value gap. I wonder if anyone took this. Potential short. Too late. No. I would only ever take this. I mean, we got a mitigation block. This is such a bad, like, this is the definition of B plus. Or it's like B minus. Like, this is the worst freaking entry ever. I would never take this. I need to see some, maybe if we took out the high here, but nah. No trades for me. I'm not going to take a. ICT did not say that, Harris. He definitely did not say that. He was saying in that example, and I know the video you're talking about, he was saying you can go on the 5-minute and just take your first fair value gap for 10 points or 20 points. Silver Bullet's a time window, and you have many ways to enter Silver Bullet. I mean, it's possible, yeah, but if you look at the range from the entire market, like, but London high, yeah, like I said, I don't expect us to take London high. I guess I could have used that information. But no manipulation upwards today, so I guess the 930 distribution makes sense. Nope, I don't use trend lines. In fact, I target trend lines. Nah, no trades today. You think reversal from Monday low? Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe a retracement, but I wouldn't say reversal. Why? I just don't believe in that. That the trend is. I don't believe in that stuff. It doesn't make sense to me even. Are you trading tomorrow? I think the market's closed tomorrow. What time do you log into stocks? What do you suggest every morning? What time do you log? Well, right now I'm trading futures, but for my stocks, what I do is when I'm bullish on NASDAQ, I'll look for discount stocks. Usually you get a nice move. That model has honestly never failed me. But I'm not bullish on NASDAQ yet. So on this market, the top, the NASDAQ top 100, right? I want to see if I want to be convinced it's going to go higher. How do you determine your bias? Many ways, to be honest. Power of three is my main one. Daily closures, key levels, internal, external range. Order flow, for sure. Order flow is super simple, easy one. And you can see we're probably going to get Monday's low. Tomorrow's a major holiday, Thanksgiving. Market's closed. Yep. But does anyone know? Or is crypto market closed tomorrow? Because shit, I can try and flip my crypto account. Would you enter a long off a reaction? Nah. I think the longs are cooked now. Reaction of what? At this point, reaction off of what? The volume imbalance. Crypto's always open. Crypto never closes. There was one, like, you could argue this is a silver bullet entry, but for me, does not fit my criteria. I want to see the high get taken first. I want to see this high get taken. If this high got taken, swept, this would be a nice short, actually, because we'd have a CISD and all that stuff. Use PO to your crypto. But no, like this. Yeah, I mean, I think we're going to go to Monday's low. I think it's confirmed now. Just after this move, the mitigation block. What separated the high? Your focus from the liquidity gap? Sorry, I don't understand your question. What do you mean what separated? Longs off Monday's low. I wouldn't expect a reversal, but you could probably get some sort of retracement. Is there a 5-minute here playing? I feel it's 10:30 maybe, but. Yep, silver bullet's really good strat. Okay. Might be a non-bad continuation here. I don't want to chase the move here, but this could be an institutional order flow entry drill. There's SMT right there right now. Use turtle soup. I'll look at it, but I will never trade turtle soup entry model. Too aggressive. I think we tapped into the ES tapped into that fair value gap, man. Maybe a 15-second inversion here, and we can get a confirmation. Looking at the 15-second charts. Because it'll be a breaker on the 15-second right here. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is your 1-minute fair value gap. High, low, higher, high, low. If we get the breaker, so same here, right? 1-minute fair value gap in premium of this range. We're forming a 5-minute. I mean, the 15 is higher. It's not A+. But we got to get these evals going. I trade micros. That's what I'm looking at right now. So, ES already tapped in here, but I still want to see NASDAQ. But if we do get the inversion, then... Where should I start? Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. All right, let's see. Okay, nice. Looks like we'll get to that premium of the range. Is the 5-minute form yet? Nope. 3-minute. 3 minutes right there. Yeah, we gotta keep an eye out on the 3-minute there for sure. I don't like that failure swing. Thoughts on TGR? I don't even need to go there. Can you look Discord real quick? Did I do something wrong? Can't look Discord real quick, brother. Which broker is this? This is Trade08 paired with Top Step and My Funded Futures. We did tap that rejection block at the lows. Yeah, we did. We did. But I still expect continuation. I mean, the 30-minute, but... No, I'm locked in here, bro. It's potential entry. What do you mean why I can't, bro? Might enter soon. I'm waiting to see if we tap this 1 minute and get a 15-second inversion. Yep, Top Step X is what I use. And My Funded Futures. Nope, it's automatic. Enter for short. If we get confirmation of the 1 minute fair value gap here, I don't mind. It's also a big ass 5-minute. We just tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap. Come on, that's so... To at least tap into the 1 there. Let's get up there. Why is it so stingy? Thoughts on Stoic Trader? Oh, I don't like that guy. He's a farmer. Yep, they're all linked. You just press it on one and it'll take it on all of them. Okay. Okay, there we tap. We can delete the M5 now. We tap the M1. Where are you from? I live in Canada, Toronto. Shorts, maybe. It's not A plus, but when did we get these accounts? Actually, it wasn't long ago. We have time, right? Koala, do you have live data or no? Koala, you probably don't have live data, bro. Yeah, that's why. There you go, brother. We put in, yeah, perfect equal highs there. But that's enough for me. ES also did tap in. But let's see here. We tapped into the 5 minute, the 3 minute. A 15-second bearish fair value gap formed. I don't know if I would take that though. How long do you have to pass? You have unlimited time, but you have 1 month before the activation fee. Can't really get good risk to reward here. It's just not a good trade. Like, we're definitely trying to force it here. It's already so far in discount. Top Step X. If you use Top Step, you can get free free things. Yeah, I'm not taking this. Not after the low. Not after the low being taken. If it gives us a nice fair value gap that aligns with the over order block, like it would be something like this. This is not a worst trade. I'll take a B. I would take a B. Well, we might get good risk to reward here, maybe. But we're definitely just forcing. But 18212 is a 5 minute FEG mitigation. It's not a mitigation. I don't know why people keep saying that word. It's just, we just went back up to reprice to the 5 minute. We didn't mitigate anything. We just tapped in. Just the terminology there. Immediate rebalance. If we get a 15-second inversion here, I'll actually take it, but I don't think we will. No, we didn't take any trade. I mean, we're obviously trying to force something here. I don't even remember when I got these accounts. No. You pay the activation, but you don't have to pay the rebill. Let me check when I got these accounts. I think I just got them. I shouldn't be tripping. Oh. 12/18. We got them on 18th. What was that? It's been 1 week. Oh, I'm tripping, bro. Why did I think it was way longer? No trade so far. Let's see what happens here. And we did get the continuation OB. Did we form an SMT? Form an SMT? No SMT here. No SMT here. 1030 reversal. Cookie's been saying it. Cookie's been saying it too all stream. Is that a breaker block? No, this is a mitigation block. Yep, good shit toxic. What's the difference between a limit buy and a stop buy? Limit buy is a limit buy order. I don't know what to say. It's a limit buy order. And stop buy is not that. Stop by, use it for a stop loss usually. This might dump here on the immediate rebalance. Let's see. It's not tradable. Yo, we made bread. Good shit, bro. Can you tell me something what ICT is? ICT is a person who trades smart money concepts. The breakers are so strong. I'm telling you, bro. Breakers strong as PD Ray. Hop in, bro. Yeah. Whoa. You just got in a long off the 1 hour OB? Yeah, I don't know about that one, bro. At least for a little bit of confirmation. This is very, very bearish order flow. But yo, maybe you see something we don't, you know? Where do I start with ICT? His mentorships on YouTube, yep. I mean, like, there's just no good, like, if you took the 5 minute, I guess you could have done this, right? But the reason I don't like this is because we were still at that point where it's just so far in a discount, you know? Still no buy side raid. I wouldn't say we swept the hourly low. Oh, this one here could go for Monday's low. I definitely think we go to Monday's low. Yeah, we marked that out. Monday's low for sure. Monday's low. As soon as, for me, where was the confirmation? I think it was this move lower. As soon as you see this, or sorry, the 10 a.m. Also, what is this? This the smallest 10 a.m. PCE price candle I've ever seen. What? 10 a.m. news was not even existent. But as soon as you saw that move and right here, when we failed to get the CISD, yeah, I knew it was gonna roll over. And I tried to short it. Wasn't clean. There wasn't really much. But if we take Monday's low here, yeah, we could look for a retrace. I mean, would you really short? Would you really long this? I'm not gonna look for a reversal. This is not a liquidity sweep, but this is a TP. It could move higher from here, but like, don't risk it. I wouldn't risk it personally. Personally, I wouldn't. And you know that low's coming now. I wouldn't even look for a retracement 50%. The only time you trade retracements is because you missed the expansion, you know? Like, to me, retracement trades are just fear of missing out. You just feel like you have to make money. You don't have to make money today, bro. You know, market's here. No trades. Reversal burned me. What reversal? Cookie loves that 1030 reversal. I would look for reversal. There's a P grade below. I don't think there is, right? Just a Monday low. Which, yeah, I mean, will be called out, but again, without the manipulation, it's so hard to say that this high is protected, right? It's rare. You're right. If 930 came and did this, ooh, now that's beautiful. 50-minute fair value gap, protected high London, rejection block. But we literally just went down at 930, which is okay, because you know why? Because all the positions were accumulated here. So if you were in, you were in. If you weren't, it's really hard to take this. Like, you're not gonna short this fair value gap like this at this time. So the 5-minute bearish was not a bad entry. 5-minute bearish was not a bad entry. I looked for confirmation from it. We didn't get a clean. Did we get a clean actually? Did I make a mistake? Let's see. Did I miss a potential 15-second inversion or something? Because I went to the 15-second chart there. I looked for an entry. I feel like I should have got something, so I must have missed it. Tesla's dumping. Good. Yeah, I mean, I'll show you guys the 15-second charts. There's really nothing there. By the time the inversion happened, no, I didn't short. Reversal, I don't think it's gonna reverse. I don't think it's gonna reverse. Maybe retrace, but not reverse. You know what? Low. Yeah, no. Some mitigation here, but Your OB, this is your propulsion block. Your last trade going into there. Looking like a red day. What do you mean red day? Close? Yeah, looking like a bearish day for sure. Are all markets closed tomorrow? I think so, besides crypto. You thought it was in reverse a couple times. Listen, I'll give you guys my little insight here. There was absolutely zero confirmation of reversal here. We didn't have one bullish change in the state of delivery. Not one. Yeah, retracement from previous high is not bad. Listen, Ben, we don't know if it's gonna be a liquidity sweep. This is a daily, like, let's say hourly low. Is it a 4 hour low? It's a 4 hour swing low. You don't know it's gonna be a liquidity sweep. It could do this and go lower, even though you see this move up. Like, you really don't know it's gonna sweep and reverse there. And I wouldn't favor it, to be honest. I wouldn't favor it. My higher time frame narrative has always been bearish. There was no confirmation of reversal, but we're starting to get that now based on today's price action, right? If you guys, like for the GEM students, you guys watched lecture 1, or market review 1, I forget which one. Remember these equal lows that we talked about and the monthly power of 3? That's the idea. Higher time frame, but just the reversal hasn't been confirmed. There's no, like, we haven't done anything on the daily yet, so it's, order flow is very, very bearish. Taking a long here is very risky. I know a lot of people will see like, oh, low resistance liquidity. No. But to get a reversal here, man, like every single, it could just be a retracement into any fair value gap. PA is not bad. I mean, they didn't give you that many opportunities. There were a couple, not A+. There was a couple. And it's going to be like this, you know? A lot of the days can't go long below 0.6025. We're going to get the SMT at previous day low, though. So you know what? Like, this could just be ES retracing to previous day equilibrium. Like, ES hasn't even made it to 50% of yesterday's range. Yet NQ is already almost at the low. Like, this is so bad. That's really, really rare that you see that. ES takes NQ takes previous day low. Why are we stalling? In my opinion, it's just gonna make a big fat dump. Just one more last accumulation of shorts, and then I mean we could leave relative equal lows too. I think it's possible. Why are we stalling? I don't know. If you're in that short and it's stalling for you right now, I feel bad, bro. But I mean, we'll see. Was there a 2 minute there? 3 minute fair value gap. Nothing here, for sure, nothing here. Every single 5 minute printed bearish. Every 15 minute printed bearish. No retracement. What time do you stop? I'll probably stop after the lows get taken on Monday. Unless, I don't know, look for a scalp, something. There's no reason for me to use my scalp model. Alex Eubanks is long. Right, he's cooked. Longing right now is crazy. What am I eating? Just a cracker. Unless he's going long to like right here. Sherman Trades. Wait, he's an ICT trader on YouTube, right? He has some good information. I saw some of his posts. Alex Trades? Yeah, no idea who that is. Oh, yeah, Alex, apparently, yeah. Well done, Trevor. Someone in my TikTok chat just said Kanye West is short. That's funny, bro. You're funny, bro. I think he does too, Toxic. You're not trading CRT? Hell no. Alright, Monday's low finally. I think. I didn't take any trades. We tried to get in here from here, but we just missed our entry. It wasn't A+, so. And I didn't want to force it. I already missed so much distribution. Kanye West or short is hella funny. That's okay, Toxic, yeah. As long as you know where price is gonna go, that's the key takeaway for here. You know? Monday's low. Anyone who just TP'd, what you do, you always put your stop loss right here and just pray that it just keeps going lower. Alright, never mind. Unlucky. Bias today? Bias was just met, brother. Are you still interested in longs? No. I lost my interest for longs right here. Market maker models is amazing. As soon as we failed right here, when we failed to get the breaker, I knew it's probably just gonna go Monday's low. So this is where I made my first bias prediction. What are you looking for now? It could potentially retrace from here. That's about it. Previous day equilibrium for ES. That's the second level we marked out. This red line. Yeah, I don't know about the line. There wasn't one confirmation of longs. So if you went long, I encourage you to evaluate your psychology. Just because, I mean, unless you're trading different, you saw something that I didn't. But if you're trading ICT, I'm going to tell you right now, there wasn't one confirmation of longs. Besides, like, you know, you just want that big, juicy P&L runner. But there was no confirmations. Bro, I literally cut the top. Do you know how, like weird that sounds, bro? Took that short, nice. ICT and SMT, same thing. Yeah, there's nothing, you know? We were waiting. I'm not gonna lie. When we touched the CE daily wick right here, I was like, are we gonna get the breaker? Notice we did not get a breaker, right? Failure to make the breaker, for me, immediately, right? We want to see the CE daily wick use as like resistance, right? We want to see it reject and then potentially go high. The fact it just failed to get the breaker, came down, put in this order block, which would be a propulsion block, and then just go lower. Yeah, immediately I knew. So we marked out the 5-minute fair value gap here, right here. And it's not A+, but we marked out the 5-minute fair value gap. We tried to get an entry on the 15-second. It was not the cleanest. And then remember, we tried to get this trade as well. But look at the risk to reward. It's 1.5. So for me, that's not even doable, right? Because technically your stop loss needs to be up here if you want to do the trade correctly, right? Let's say you missed this one. I also looked at this. Still, it's 1R. There's just no good trade. Unless you got in right there, you didn't get a good trade, you know? And for me, I don't trust this because it's not an A+. So, like I said, I don't know if you guys remember, but we put our P&L tool like this. It's just not 2R. If it was 2R, yeah, I would take this. B plus 2R. Easy drawn liquidity, though. Sure, but 1.5, it's not even worth it. I know on another day, I'll get a 2R, you know? Some other day, we'll get a 2R. Any good trades /PA today? Nah, not really much. In my opinion, it's really hard to lose. Like, if you had good stop loss and you didn't go long, you probably caught a winning trade today, you know? To me, the weekly profile looked bullish. I'll tell you my advice now, bro. There was no weekly profile until today. It was simply not clear. Yeah, that's okay. You got in at 10:30. Your 10:30 continuation. Yeah, where's 10:30? You see 10:30 PO3 is there. You know, we accumulate a little bit. Small run up. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need much. It was very clear. What time did your entry, Fair and Capital? Should I start off the FEG? Nah, what's the weekly profile? It's gonna be a Monday high of week with Tuesday on ES with Wednesday reversal on ES, but on NQ it's a SMT. I guess I entered last night during London. Got the narrative, just unfortunate day. Yeah, right narrative. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. You gonna trade tomorrow? Market's closed tomorrow. So, reviewing the weekly PO3 here. Monday came up. Tuesday consolidated. Wednesday was consolidating, but look at ES. ES, SMT right here at the highs. So, whoa. So think about it like this. We have SMT inside the daily bearish fair value gap. So, to me, that's your confirmation of, like, obviously it's hindsight now. It wasn't confirming enough during the time that it formed. But we had SMT at previous day's highs inside the daily bearish fair value gap. We respected 50%. So pure chop. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be a reversal. It wouldn't make sense for a price to reverse right now. Maybe retrace, but not reverse. So, you know, and just because we didn't get the manipulation here we wanted, like this move up, if it happened after 9:30, that would be beautiful. But because it happened here, it wasn't perfect for me. And then you can see because it happened here, this is pretty typical. Because it happened here, right? You don't expect it to happen again. So this little move up into premium, because it didn't happen at 9:30 and it happened before, you can expect 9:30 distribution. But remember, at this time, we were also saying potentially it could be a reversal, right? So we had to wait for more information. Waited. And as soon as 10 a.m. came and we didn't get the breaker here, that's when I was like, okay, I have enough information. I'm convinced Monday's low is coming. So notice I didn't have a clear bias here. I didn't have a clear bias here. Here we were looking for long, but it did not form. As soon as I saw that failed breaker, so someone in TikTok asked me, why did you lose interest in longs? Right here. When we hit that higher time frame level and we didn't get the breaker, I knew we were probably just going to go to Monday's low. And that was the objective for today. You know? So how did I try to get in after? I went to the 5 minute. I saw this fair value gap, potential continuation. So right here. But then the risk to reward was just not that good. Don't take the trade then. I'm more than happy watching it go. You know? Let's see what happens here if we get the retracement. Reversal, retracement. We can stay here and see. Approaching 1050 macro. So this black line is previous day low. $20 picks. That's okay, bro. Yeah. I tried to catch something like that too, George. Just couldn't find anything for me. Long now. Side by side. No. This is just a rejection block forming. So this is a rejection block forming. This is your swing low. That's all. I mean, yeah, we could definitely. I don't expect a reverse. I mean, not on NQ. No, we didn't take a trade. That's a really strong displacement, though. Let's just watch. See, do we get a breaker block here? Just watch. I don't think I would trade it. I would be too skeptical. Could just be a retracement into the 15-minute bearish. Like, there's really no way. It's two ways. So Sarvan, the couple ways I do it is, let's say, what's a good example here? It's not a good example here. There was a good example yesterday, but my charts thing. If you have Asia accumulation, right? I would do a reversal a range deviation. I'll tell you what it is. Hold on. I'll give you the best answer right now. If you have accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? If we know it to be like this range right here usually will be like this. It'll go to like around -1, just less. That's what that is. But sometimes what happens here is we don't get a manipulation like this. Sometimes we get a manipulation like this, like this. Like we manipulate lower, you know? So sometimes I'll use the last leg in this to project a reversal deviation. So if this goes to like -2, for example, like this, so a little lower, I'll use the last leg. And then, of course, your classic distribution projection. Does that make sense? That's my little spiel. I am going to make videos on all this, but for now we're focusing on the trading. You got to look at your key levels. Sorry, man. You got to look at your key levels. Remember, the standard deviations come second. Standard deviations come second to the narrative. If your hourly fair value gap aligns with the reversal deviation, you know, it's kind of like the box setup versus a real, like sometimes your AMD looks like this, right? Manipulate and then distribute. And your key levels all the way here. So like for example, today, this could have been a reversal deviation. That's a bad example. If you did it like this, because that's the high. This could have been reversal deviation, right? If there was a higher time frame fair value gap here or something, it could have been, but no clear bias. Why are people spamming crypto so much? It's annoying. Listen, yeah, I know. That's why I tell people on TikTok, if you're a real one, just come over to YouTube chat. YouTube chat, 100 people in there. Everyone here is locked in. They're really nice. I love my YouTube chat, bro. I actually love my YouTube chat for real. There's no spam. There's no. If you want to join their YouTube community, I'd recommend that. How many contracts do you buy? On the evals, 50K evaluation, I risk 300 per trade. For fund days, I risk 150 per trade on the 50Ks. Usually 2 trades a day. So 1050 macro approaching. We'll stay here and watch what 1050 macro does. See if we get an opportunity to scalp. This ES looks like your entry model for longs. No, we didn't even get the breaker. If I'm gonna look for a reversal with this much order flow, I better at least see a breaker. At least. What's a macro? It's this time window where you expect a move. ICT series, you just watch 2022 mentorship. I use TopStep as well. I use TopStep and I use my fund and futures as well. So I actually use both. We didn't even get to the 15-minute fair value gap. I mean, like, taking a short like this is so bad. I couldn't take this. It's like 50-50. I mean, it's just so bearish. That's the only, like, you took shorts on the top on journal. Should I explain why? Yep, of course, bro. What is a breaker block? A breaker block is liquidity sweep, market structure shift. So this is your liquidity sweep right here, and then market structure shift. Liquidity sweep, no market structure shift, so no breaker block. Simple. No breaker on ES. It needs to close above for me. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Your last up close candle. We didn't get the closure above. Oh, look at that explosion from the bearish fair value gap. How far do you think NQ will go? Good question. How far could it go? Honestly, on the higher time frame, I really like these levels. All these lows. I don't think it'll get there today. Maybe, bro. Who knows? Maybe PM will just... How many points is that? I don't know about that. I'd recommend 2022 mentorship first. If I was in the short, I would break even after this low. Actually, I'd probably just break even now because it's so shit. If we ever, I'm not interested in any longs, bro. I'm not interested in any longs. I'm not gonna chase these. So many times I've lost trades just looking for a reversal over and over again. It never comes. It almost never comes. When you just get this crazy bearish order flow and you're trying to long it. When this order flow is so bearish, just think about the narrative, guys. They're obviously distributing positions, okay? Why would they reverse? It doesn't even make sense to just repeat the whole they're already positioned short. Everyone's already positioned short. You know? How do you determine bias correctly? I have a video. I would just watch that if you want. Yeah, it just kept taking low. That's it. There hasn't been a single sign of reversal. It won't be a reversal. Maybe a retracement, but I wouldn't expect any reversals. But it could be. I could be wrong. I've lost so many accounts just trying to pick the bottom of a super large bearish order flow. I would just keep marking lows and lows and be like, maybe this one, or maybe this one. And then you see a sweep, bullish fair value gap in that trade. That is not trading. That's gambling, bro. Yeah, Jared knows. We didn't sweep the 4-hour low yet. You don't even know if we swept it. It doesn't close in another 3 hours and 7 minutes. So don't say swept 4-hour low. Don't even, okay, I don't know about that one, but I feel you, bro. I feel you. Just watching this macro. Your SSL sweep is after the candle closes. For all we know, the 4-hour candle can close right here. We don't know if it's going to sweep this low. You can look for confirmations, but unless you're really bullish, you wouldn't even expect it to sweep that low. Can anyone here with really confidence say, like, yeah, today is going to be bullish? Probably not, bro. Probably not. Yeah, man, that. You gotta stick to that model, bro. You gotta stick to that model. Gonna keep dropping. Yeah, it'll probably keep, get a retracement. It's one thing. But this is one of these days. Listen. This is one of those days where in the past killed me. No longs. I don't care if I wake up and I see it come all the way up here. Don't even care. 7 a.m. PST low. Next objective for me would just be this daily low from Friday. Or equilibrium. I think we outlined this in the GEMS lecture as well, right? Equilibrium of previous week should be met with no problem if we're bearish. No longs, yeah. Thoughts on the month of December? It's usually pretty ass. You love this about you? Bro, listen, I wasn't always like this, you know? You need to be okay not... Listen, I am so happy to walk away today and be like, I didn't make a mistake. I didn't do something stupid. Market's closed tomorrow, Jacob. I think I'll be live, though. Maybe I'll do a lecture with the GEM students. Maybe I'll do crypto. This kind of patience is, like, I can listen, I can go back, I can study and be like, yeah, I could have cut 2R here, but bro, why? It's not, you'll find a better trade, Like, yeah, in hindsight, you know what? I missed this trade. I missed this, right? Because initially I said, all right, the 5-minute fair value gap, if we get a 15-second inversion, I'll take it. But it's just so low probability. And if you want perfect stop loss, it needs to be at the high, right? It needs to be at the high. And if I'm going to TP at the daily low, I'll show you guys the risk to reward. It's not good. It's 1.4. I might as well just leave. Why am I going to take a 1.4R trade at the deepest discount? Yeah, I know it's going to go here. But it's not about that. Like, I don't need to take this trade. I don't need to. Just let it go. Just sit there and just be like, you know what? I was right. It did play out, but I didn't take it. You know why? Why? Because it's not about the P&L. It's not about it. Like, it's not about, oh, yes, we caught this trade, win. No, it's not about that. That's not the important part. You know? The important part is, did you follow all your rules? Right? Did you take what you said you were going to do? Like, did you follow your system? That's what's important. And, you know, this isn't necessarily a rule break for me, but I know damn well this isn't a fucking amazing entry, you know? And if I really wanted to, like what I would do in this case, if I did take this, I would put this at 2R, and as soon as we took that low, just break even. And in this case, yeah, in hindsight, I would have hit the 2R. But I'd rather sit there and be like, you know what? I'm glad I saw this play out. I'm glad I didn't take it. That shows that I can be disciplined. It feels that I'm not chasing money. Because if you take this trade, yeah, it's not a bad trade. I'm not saying this trade was bad. I'm not saying it was bad. I'm just saying, if I took this trade, I know myself, I would be taking it simply because I just want to make the money. That's it. I'm not here to make money. It's not about the money. I'm here to follow all my rules consistently. That's what I want to do. It's not a bad trade, you know? It's definitely not a bad trade. And you know what? If you took it from the 5-minute, it's also not a bad trade. If you did it like this, it's not bad at all. Technically, your stop loss would have to be here, though, if you want it to be proper, or at least here. 50% of the order block. Is this wick, order block? It could reach up. Tomorrow, I think the market's just fully closed, right? No, we didn't take anything today. You know, I would say today is a buy. I don't know. YouTube chat, what do you guys think? Is today a correct bias day or no? I would say so. Like, I didn't make any clear predictions here. I didn't make a clear prediction here. But as soon as we had that rollover, I said, yeah, we're going to go to Monday's low. I think that counts as a win. I didn't make any incorrect predictions. I made one correct prediction. I'll give that a win. I mean, could give it a break, like a neutral. But I think that's a correct. I mean, we literally tried to execute it. Lunch starts at 12. Lunch session is 12. However, you can in terms of like the actual people who go in the fucking place, sometimes they'll start early and then they go to lunch at 11, bro. So 11 to 12. For me, lunch macro is 12. 12 to 1:30 is lunch. That's your lunch ICT session. But just know sometimes at 11, you can start getting those lunch characteristics. EJ, let me save you, bro. This is not an hourly sweep. First of all, we didn't even close below, so I don't even know why I'm saying sweep. If we close above it, sure, you could say maybe it's an hourly sweep. You have to wait for the candle to close before you say sweep. You can like predict that. You can say, yeah, I think this is going to be a sweep. But take care, Cookie. Take care, brother. Yep, Chico. Don't look good. I think I pushed. Good thing I think I don't push any buttons today. Yeah, 100%, bro. I'll ask the boys in GEMS if they want to do anything. Turtle soup count as a sweep. Turtle soup. What I feel like most people don't understand what turtle soup is. Turtle soup is buying below an old low and selling above an old high. That's it. So for example, see this high right here? Did we take it by one tick? We didn't take it. Well, let's just say hypothetically we took it. I think ES did. Nope, equal highs. You would be selling right here. It's like an entry model. You trading Friday? Yeah, I'll be live. I'll probably be live tomorrow. Bro, I don't know what to do if I don't go live. I have no life, bro. The soup is mostly on London. No, the soup can form anywhere. I would not focus on soups because it's going to be confusing. For example, you guys aren't going to like this, but this is a turtle soup entry. This is a turtle entry on the 15-second chart. You can't see it here, but I'll explain why. It looks like a regular fair value gap, which it is. However, what is this? This 1049 candle, that's a high, right? Yep, ICT 2024 classic. I'm glad that he taught it. That's a high. So on the 15-second chart, it's a swing high. We took it. This is a soup. Ready? I'll show you a soup. So before the breaker, it's when you soup that high, right? You're selling right in this range. You're selling here. So before the breaker, you're just selling it above the high. That's a soup. In this form, look at ES right here. So look at ES here. I'll give you a good example of a soup. High. Sorry, let's do it like this. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. So before the breaker, you're anticipating the breaker to come. You sell it right here. Turtle soup. Right where I'm going to draw the raid. You sell it right there. Boom. Why do you sell it there? Because you expect the breaker to form. That's a hard thing to do. Small fair value gap as a confluence, right? We tap the order block by perfect ticks. The order block, fair value gap here. You're anticipating the breaker, so you soup it. What's Tesla at? Is it time to buy? 329. Oh, that makes sense. All right. Well, before we call it quits, you can see, yeah. So we got some small retracements. No confirmation of longs. Not looking for the reversal, like I said. However, what are you doing, bro? What is this guy out of here? Ah, toxic. That actually hurts. That actually hurts, bro. Finally, DXY given a clean direction. Yep. Now this price action is really good. This is good that we're leaving this range with this displacement. Hopefully, we'll start getting some clean price action. You know, let me quickly look at gold. Just maybe if something's forming, we can trade it. 1 minute. Oh, it's not a bad short. I'm just a little bit late. Just a little bit late when you could take the order block. It's not really the best. Yeah, it's whatever. What's up, Sing? You're doing good, bro. No trades today, but we called it. I called it pretty good. Say it back. Say what back? Are we reversing? No, I don't expect any reversals today. As soon as 10 a.m., as soon as it was like 10:05, yeah, that's when we got our bearish bias. We didn't get any trades though. Just trying to look for A+ setups. I don't want to force anything. There's no need to force anything, especially right now. We're still early on these accounts. There was news at 10 a.m., but it didn't do much. It didn't do much. Bark is so bad. I swear I've never seen you take a trade. Took a trade yesterday. We won. Are you taking any trades today? Nah, we're done for today. We're done for today. I won't be back in PM session. Yeah, that news was non-existent. Gold. I like the short here in gold, but it's too late. Don't be saying that weird shit in my chat, yo. How'd you win yesterday? PA was so bad. I'm okay navigating Seek and Destroy. I used my Seek and Destroy model, 1030 back into the range. We caught a nice PO3, and then we called out the second move, but usually I'm like a one win. I don't like to go for the second, but the same thing happened. The same thing that happened at 1030, it happened at 11. So if you want to go back and study that, you'll see the Seek and Destroy, the breaker there. Look back, what would be the ideal short entry? Yeah, hindsight. Like I said, it was the same one that I was looking for, in my opinion. Your best entry short here, for me, is this one. And I tried to enter short, just the risk to reward was not good. We came up. I'm waiting for the propulsion block or the mitigation block. Just the risk to reward was not that good. So we didn't take it, you know? So that, to me, that was probably the best, you know, just doing this, hoping for 2R. So just put it at 2R. And as soon as it takes Monday's low, just break even and hope. So I could have done it, but again, I'm not gonna do that. That's not a good, not the best trade. How is it too late on hold? It ain't done none yet. How is it too late on gold? I'm not expecting a big move. Like maybe this move here, but what I was referring to was the short from here. I like this as short maybe, but you can get the continuation. Just my entry. When I say it's too late, my entry's gone. What's up, MXM? I'm good, brother. I want to encourage those of you who are watching on TikTok, come over to YouTube chat next stream, especially if you don't want to deal with those people spamming crypto and all that stuff. Where's the... You don't trade crypto? I do sometimes, but usually I haven't done it on live stream. I might do it tomorrow on live though. Should I do a crypto stream? I'm not the best crypto trader though, but it did tap a discount zone. It did. Yeah, we did do that actually. I was looking at it right here. Oh no, it didn't. Oh yeah, we never even get to the discount. This is what the one I was looking at. Yeah, definitely switch over to YouTube, yo. I appreciate you coming over, William. You think NQ will continue lower? That's hard. That's a hard prediction. Like I said, my second objective was this. I said Friday's low. I don't know if anyone heard me, but it's there in the live stream. So, yeah, I think we can take Friday's low today. But you can show you. Yeah, you can help me if you want. You can send me a Discord. Yeah, there's some shit for me. I pretty much lose every time I go for a crypto flip. But before we head out, yeah, I want to encourage you guys on TikTok, come over to YouTube. YouTube chat is a lot more chill. You said which broker for CFDs? Which one do I use? This is YouTube chat. See? I'm going to short talking Friday's low right now. Good luck, bro. Did you take this bearish fair value gap? So when it's deep premium like this, usually what I do when it's this deep in discount, when you want to short, is I wait for a bullish PD rate to get invalidated and trade it like that. Because to me, that's the idea of another fake move up. And then as soon as it gets invalidated, you know, we're probably just going to continue. Take care, Dragon. For CFDs, I think I use... Oh, Forex.com for sure. Always. Yeah, that's the one. Forex.com. Just use Forex.com for all of them. DK went to 13 million market cap. You're for sure going to 100x. Yeah, buy it then, bro. It's 1041 bullish inversion FEG. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. 1041. 1041. Oh, you shorted it from here? Yep, that's... You got a pretty good... Yeah, I would be break even on this if it was me. And I would just let this shit go. That's not a bad trade. 100%. As soon as it inverses there. Yeah, that's not a bad trade for sure. That's what I'm just saying what I would do. I'm not saying go break even, by the way. You do you. For sure, you do you. But I would be break even on this. But yeah, I would aim for this low. Yo, let me give you one tip though. As soon as it comes here, or as soon as it comes close, just put your TP lower and put your stop loss right. Do you get what I'm saying? Let me show you what I mean. I'll show you on paper trading. This is paper trading. I'm not taking a trade. This is paper trading. I'm not taking a trade. So assuming it comes here, although if it puts in a failure swing, that would suck. It could put relative equal lows, but let's just say hypothetically, bro. Hypothetically, it does come here. As soon as it comes there, just put your stop loss there, and then see if you can, you never know. Sometimes it'll just freaking dump right from your, like, and you can catch some extra points. A quick way to know is this. So see, like, -1. Like, it might just dump to -1 or 0.5 at least. We did not take this trade. This is paper. This is paper. A lot of people just fucking be like, oh shit, you took a trade. Fucking click. I did not take this trade. Did not take this trade. This is for demonstration purposes. I'll show you what I mean. On my phone, I can't put a TP on Top Step. I didn't take this trade. I did not. Wait, where's Monday's low? Where's Friday's low? I had to mark it. Shit. Did I miss it? You'll see it. So as soon as it, like, just drop that there and hope it just dumps. We did not take this trade. Connected. I saw you just joined. I'm not in this trade. This is paper. I'm doing a demonstration on how to max profits. The demonstration on how to max profits. So, like, you can get an extra couple points there, maybe. You can't put a TP. Well, you just close it at Monday's low then. You just caught this bear's 20 point CP. Yeah, fuck it. I mean, you can definitely mess around and get some, like, decent setups on the scalp side of things. For those of you on TikTok, I'm going to say it one more time. I know I keep saying it, but I'm going to keep saying it because there's a lot of good TikTok comments. And then you got people like this guy who says, get Rismus before it's too late. Like, TikTok's ass in that sense. We got the SMT there. TikTok's, like, shitty in that sense. So I encourage you guys to come over to YouTube. Come over to YouTube chat, because YouTube, we don't got those trolls. You don't got these trolls. If we inverse this, that could be pretty good. Yeah, I missed the shorts as well. We tried, but we didn't get filled. This is a paper trade. I didn't take this short. That's paper trade. I was just trying to do a demonstration of something. Do you only place limits? For the most part, only limits. Is that just paper? Yeah, I didn't take that trade. I didn't take that trade. We didn't take any trades. I tried to take the 5-minute FEG short today. So many mods here. Nope, just Toxic, you, and Insta, I think, are my only mods right now. And it's discount koala. First of all, bro, this guy that was a short. And we're in discount, not premium. This guy said, I think you're just buying in deep premium. This guy, what are you saying, bro? Yo, let me put you guys. Hold on. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys why Gatie is the best, bro. Hold on. Before we call it quits here. It's 11:15. I don't want to stay live too long. I'm not taking another trade. But your boy is a consistent sports. I'm not even going to say sports better. I'm going to say sports analyst, bro. Because nobody hits it like me. Nobody hits it like me, bro. I'm like, in my life, okay, let's count. 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins, 4 wins, 5 wins, 6 wins, 7 wins. So 6 for 6 in my I lost this one. 6 for 6 in my last ones, and then 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm 8 and 11. No, 9 and 11. Pause all that. You guys want to parlay in 3 weeks? I'm 9 and 11, bro. Like, I deadass think I found the cheat code for free money, bro. Like, I ain't even capping. Today we're gonna put another 2 parlays. Was Drake there? No, Drake wasn't there. You haven't want to parlay in 3 weeks? Pause all that. Traders explaining trading to family. Yo, Miguel, what's up? What's up, Miguel? I didn't take this trade. Hold on. Before people think I actually executed this shit. Put this shit away. Nah, I won't even. I know if I lose today now, I'm not going to be okay mentally, you know? You're what? 9, not. Ah, shit. You got me, bro. I tried to short this. I did not find good risk to reward in my entry. I didn't want to like sacrifice a good stop loss. So I didn't get a good entry. I didn't get good risk to reward, so I didn't take this. This was not a bad trade though. Obviously, it ended up going a lot more. Let's look at that London range. This is the last thing I'll do before we head out. I bet on NBA only. I actually don't know how to do NFL at all. If you did the entire manipulation leg, it's probably way below -4. Just not clean. Yeah, not clean whatsoever. Even if you did Asia. If you did the weekly open. Now, I'll show you guys something cool. So where's your weekly open here? We got to go back to Monday at midnight opening. Because remember, all the manipulations we saw intradays, there's still your weekly power of 3 that's in play here. So. Wait, there's a. Nah, I know. You looked at NBA since Kobe's rookie year, man. It's RIP for real, man. Kobe was my favorite as well, bro. Truly upsetting. Like, I usually don't get sad when famous people die, bro, but Kobe, that one hurt. That's not that clean. I mean, oh, this is your manipulation line. So look at this, guys. So this is your black line. Let's look at on an ES. It'll be a little bit cleaner. Fuck, I have to mark the level. This black line right here is your weekly opening price. Okay. So we opened. Where's your last manipulation leg from the weekly open? Usually I would do it on the 4-hour or the hourly. You have a leg from here to here. You have a leg from here to here. So your last manipulation leg from weekly open is right here on ES hourly. Right? Your last 4-hour candle as well. So your last impulse leg. So this is your -2.5. This is your weekly power 3. So for those who don't understand where to put the deviations, you might be overloading yourself with information. No, I'm good, bro. I'm good. This is all something stuff I use all the time, and you're gonna be expecting all day. I'm just expecting everybody that it might take some. Can you see GBP USD? You're what in 11? Chart closes tomorrow. Yep, chart closes tomorrow, brother. I don't know if I'm gonna be live. I don't know. Maybe I'll trade crypto live. Maybe I'll sleep in. Maybe I'll record videos. Maybe I'll do something with the boys in gems. I'll see if they want to do something. I just use TradingView for my live stream. People like to see it a lot better. But I trade on TopStepX. Alright. Wait, wait, I remember you crying about betting. Was I complaining about betting last month? I don't remember. From what I learned last. What are your ICT confluences? Power of 3. Power of 3, everything power of 3. I will send this to the Discord now. I've never won betting. I used to lose every time, but I found this new system, and I feel like it's really good now. But yeah, that's probably it for today. Why people saying chart closes tomorrow? How much you make monthly? 0. Which ICT lecture you recommend to learn more about proper placement of deviations for each leg? Can't even tell you, bro. I learned them from multiple lectures in the middle of them. 2023, I think 2022 he talked about it a bit. 2016 he used it a lot, actually. 2016 he used them a lot. No, we didn't take anything. I just get payouts, so it's hard to say how much you make monthly. Some months 0. Previous months I made some payouts. Some guys made some bet money, and you were like, damn, only if I could hit those. Yeah, bro, people are... Man, I know some people making insane amounts, bro. And I've always loved the NBA, so... Anyways, we're probably going to call it quits here. I kind of like the 30-minute here. You get here's your clean breaker. It doesn't really matter about the time, reinvestment broker. It just depends on the setup. Depends on the. You gotta look at the price action. ICT has a video on it. No one will explain it better than that video. It's like a 20-minute video, I think. Just called like Six Sister Approach or something. No setups today. No setups today. No setups today. I tried this one trade, but the risk reward wasn't good, so we didn't take it, and it played out. But again, I don't want to break rules. My current win ratio right now, I'm like at 50, which is not bad, but we've had some trade management issues, so we're still working on that. That's right now, like last 2 weeks. If you look at the month before that, the month before that was a losing month. The month before that one was break even. The one before that one was really good, and the one before that one was break even, and then all of those before those ones were all profitable. I don't know why I'm fucking yapping right now. Basically had a nice profitable streak, then break even, and I understand why I was break even now. It wasn't the trades, pretty much the same model I've been trading since day one, but I made some adjustments to my trading system, and it basically killed all my profits. So I was just going in circles for 3 months. And I'm glad I figured that out. Then I had a really profitable month, and then a really bad month, another really bad month, and then I think here we are. Yes. So far this month it's not bad, but we'll see if we can turn it around. What was the problem? I was taking partials under 2 risk to reward. Able to text immediately. Yes. All right. I unfortunately cannot stay here to answer questions all the time. I made a video, Sohab, on my YouTube on why I was break even for 3 months, pretty much. It's called Why Partial. It's my most recent one. It's called Why Partials Are Killing Your Profits. That's what kept me at break even for 3 months. I was partialing at 2 risk to reward. I did not have a good profit taking strategy implemented. After I implemented that, I immediately saw better results in backtest and in forward. So that definitely helped. And yeah. Did we take Friday's low on NQ? No, we did not. Looks like we stopped right there. That must be frustrating. Trade PM, nah. I would take it out. If you don't have a good take profit strategy, I would look at that video for sure. Now, I'm not going to be trading PM. I'm going to go to the gym, talk to the boys in GEMS, chill around in the Discord, maybe do some crypto. But for now, we're just going to take the day off. Have 2 more days. Right, 8, 9, Thursday, Friday. Nice. Take care, brothers. Take care. I'm just posting some shit in the Discord. Yeah, I love it when it marks it for you, man. It just saves so much time. It's like you have to do it yourself. Appreciate you, Aaron. Appreciate you, bro. I think so too. But for now, just focus on the rules. Focus on all that stuff. Don't think about the money, and everything will play out, bro. For sure. Yeah, for sure, Zach. For sure. Take care, Sarvan. That's okay, Trevor. Listen, I mean, yo, there's definitely a time and place, Trevor, to do it. I'm not saying partials are bad, right? Obviously, there are some trades where You know, it's better to break even than take partials. That's for sure, right? But you just need to make sure in the long run, you don't just keep taking profits under your target, because you'll never be averaging good risk to reward if you continue that. Nah, we didn't get any trades today. We missed our entry. It was like a B plus. We tried to take it. Risk to reward wasn't good. Pre-market was nice for sure. If you took that 15-minute FEG, that was really nice. Caught the short run news. I realized I was on my paper account. Oh, that's unfortunate. Truly, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. I'm glad you expanded. For sure, yeah, you can definitely take partials. The key is, what you need to do is have a... Nah, you didn't miss much, bro, in my opinion. We had a dump, but it was hard to get in. Trevor, you just need to have a strategy for taking profits. Write it out. Do the math. See in 100 trades, are you going to be profitable? Right? Where can you take partials? Where can you not take partials? How much partials can you take? Are you going to do 100%? Where are you going to leave runners to? Right? How many trades? You need to think about all those things. Don't do what I just did. I just listened to other people, bro. People said 2R is good. I was like, all right, 2R. Right? Other people said take partials. I was like, fuck it. Partials pay. I'm just going to do it. So I just took partials at 2R. I didn't even look more into it than that. And then for 3 months, I was fucking break even because of it. You know? Like, so that killed me, you know? Yeah, I do a side job as well. I have a side job as well. I always say I'm going to go, and I always stay and answer questions. Listen, for those people on TikTok, I encourage you to come over to the YouTube chats. I'm going to probably say this every stream. I know I keep saying it, but the reason I want you guys to come over is because TikTok has a lot of crypto trolls and people just spamming. I want to make sure those of you who are actually sending stuff like this: hourly extended liquidity at 26, shorts had a valid second entry at 9:33, institutional order flow entry drill. That's a really risky entry for me, but I know what you're talking about. Yep, do your math, brother. Or just you can look at the video that I posted. It does kind of the math for you if you want to just frame it off that. What's a good side job? Anything part-time is good. Do some food deliveries, bro. That shit's lit. It wasn't a fractal premium. Yeah, that's good. You're right. It definitely did not need to go any higher. It definitely did not need to. Just a little too risky for me. Just too big of a stop loss. And at this point, I wasn't too confident in us reaching Monday's low. You know, for me, I was waiting for 10 a.m. news, 9:45 as well. Like maybe this breaker, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. You could have taken this breaker here. Maybe a little bit more secure, but just wasn't too confident about the Monday low narrative until around 10 a.m. This move here kind of confirmed it for me. Anyways, we're gonna call it there. I appreciate. Yeah, no rush, Trevor. There's no rush, bro. It's not going anywhere. I'm here, bro. I'm fucking here till the end of time. Thanks for demonstrating ICT concepts real time. Appreciate you, bro. I mean, I do this every day. You know. PM session will get longs. Maybe retracement, and then another dump. I wouldn't expect too much excitement in the PM session, right? Tomorrow's a holiday. Trading the session right before holiday is usually not that exciting, right? Think about what's happened here, right? Positions have already been distributed. Where's MISO? I don't know. But we're gonna call it quits. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Probably go watch some Netflix. Enjoy the rest of the day. Tomorrow there's no got you, bro. I'm here every day, bro. If you want to come back tomorrow on TikTok or YouTube, I'm live every single day. I'll be here. Would love to see you guys show up again. Good shit, Trevor. I love that. Yep. Friday's low, I definitely think it's possible. Honestly, bro. Trevor, you secured 31%? Bro. Actually, we might get a deep retracement. I was going to say, because Thursday's probably going to continue, but I don't know if your trade will hold. Stay low, bro, for sure. For sure, bro. Appreciate you. Enjoy your Thanksgiving too, man. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate everyone coming through on TikTok. Appreciate everyone coming through on YouTube. Albert, it's going to be a lot of shitty conditions, you know? You're going to get a lot of dumps with little retracements. You're going to get a lot of seek and destroy. It's hard to navigate. Stay patient. Wait for your A+. All you need to do is be there and identify it when it's clean, right? You don't need to navigate every single market, just the clean ones. You have a loss streak. Oh, you had a loss streak this week? I had a loss streak last 2 months, huh? How about that? How about that? And it was on live stream too. What are you going to do? Quit? What are you going to do, Sowax? You going to quit? You're not going to quit? So why does it matter if you're on a loss streak? Yeah, man. Keep going for sure. Keep going for sure. How can I get a check? How can I get your checklist of taking trades? It's in my Discord, brother, for free. It's in my Discord for free. Nothing to lose. It's a good reason to go. That's what I always say, you know. And you know what? Shout out to Robbie. He's one of the master traders in my Discord. When I told him, I was like, bro, like, it's hard. I just lose confidence when I lose so much. He was like, so what are you going to do, quit? I was like, no. So he's like, why the fuck does it matter then? You're not going to quit. You're going to keep going. You're going to keep doing it until it works. So just keep doing it until it works. My advice for you, bro, I will not quit. Maybe some advice from you for your mental. Journal helps me. Honestly, talking about losing to someone who, like, honestly, I feel you. Like, when you tell someone, like, yo, I'm losing, man, my confidence, and they say something like, you know, it's fine, bro. Like, I lose all the time, you know? It happens. You lose. It doesn't mean anything, right? You'll win the next one, you know? So what if you lose? It's not even really a loss, you know? It's only really, in my opinion, for me, the only true loss in trading is if you break your rules. That's not a market structure shift just yet. We didn't close above. You gotta follow your rules, you know? If you followed your rules and you lost, it's not a loss. You know why? I'll leave you guys with this gem before I leave. The only thing that you can control in trading is whether or not you follow your rules. That's literally the only thing. So all you need to do is trade enough to take enough trades to set good rules. Entry rules, trade management rules, take profit rules, trading rules, how many trades, when I'm going to trade, all these stuff that are in your system, you need to have rules for them. Because all you can do is follow them. That's the only thing you can do in trading, is just follow your rules. If you follow your rules, you'll be okay. If you have bad rules that set you up for failure, set some new ones, bro. No one said you can't change your rules. You keep going until you find a set of rules that work for you. And once you do, all you gotta do is follow them, you know? So as long as you're following them, then it doesn't matter. If you lose or win, it doesn't matter. You can't even control whether you lose or win. So why are you gonna be sad about it? Do you get sad when it rains outside? No. But if it's cloudy, you're gonna bring a jacket type shit, you know? If it says there's going to be rain, yeah, you bring a jacket or an umbrella. And if it doesn't rain, so what? We didn't take a trade today. So that's my spiel. Looks like we're getting a lunch retracement now. Where could it retrace to? 30-minute fair value gap just tapped in. I'd want to see this one left open before Friday's low, but these are like micro predictions, so who knows? No, we didn't take any trades. We tried. I'm here for you, Trevor, bro. Trust me, you guys are here for me. You guys don't know it, but I love streaming. I love talking. It helps me keep discipline. Saying everything out loud helps me. So I personally love streaming. So that's why I do it, you know? It honestly helps me stay disciplined, stay honest. You know, a lot of the time, I would just lie to myself and be like, yeah, no, that was okay. That was a good trade. I can't lie in front of all these people. Yep, I stream all my entries, bro. Stream all my entries. You took any trades? Nope. Can you do a launch at GBP? Sure. You know, just because you asked and you said please, I'll do it for you. But this is the last thing I'm doing. Then I'm actually going. It's time for fucking breakfast, bro. This is my analysis, bro. I think we're gonna come here. Yep, I'll be here every day, bro. You gotta look at DXY as the takeaway here. Someone said DXY tap the weekly. Oh, the weekly bullish? Yeah. Yeah, this is good. This is framing a pretty good short for GBP. I might even try to get on this on the 4 hour. If we can get here, you might get a really nice short on the 4 hour. Let me set an alert for myself. Set up a swing trade here. Let's look at Euro as well. Yeah, Euro USD. Yeah, I would love to see us get into that weekly. You know, and if we put an SMT, that's okay too. It's still shortable. Because DXY, you see DXY already came there. That level we're referring to. DXY is already there. So we might get we might fail, but I would ideally I want to see it go there. This is also your weekly breaker. It's a weekly unicorn setup, you know? What can you target though? That's hard. I mean, at least the weekly sell side here that's going to be put in. Yeah, so I'll probably keep that there, then maybe look for a 4 hour confirmation. How many cons would you swing on GBP? On my Forex account? I don't know. What's your carry risk for Forex? For Forex? My Forex account, how much do I risk? I don't know. I'll probably risk 500 on that account. I just got a recent account was funded by traders, so maybe less. Depends on the risk to reward. Like, take care, Trevor. Anyways, we're gonna call it quits. It's time for me to go make breakfast. I appreciate everyone on TikTok coming through. I appreciate. No, I do both. I have a swing account for Forex, but I'll always day trade Nasdaq and ES. What's a good meme coin? You're asking the wrong person, bro. Fuck, bro. This one. I don't fucking know. This one's number one. I don't know. I wouldn't buy this, actually. You're asking the wrong fucking person. I took a dub on this yesterday. 7 mil now. I bought it at 900K. Took profits at 2 mil. I don't know, man. I don't even know. Fucking this one, bro. Raccoon. No, don't buy Raccoon. Yeah, I do have a strategy, actually. It's so stupid, though. I don't even want to give it out. I don't want to persuade anyone to use my strategy. I've won like twice, lost like 10 times. Alright, fuck it, we'll do it. Let's check out Snoopy. As soon as TikTok starts seeing this, people are gonna start joining. Oh, this? No, I wouldn't fuck with this, bro. This looks like it got pulled, unless it's a CTO. No, I wouldn't do this. Oh, wrong one. I don't want people on TikTok to see me start doing this, otherwise everyone will join. I'm guessing this one. 109, right? The volume, bro. Nah, this the volume's just too fucking low on this one. I like to look for high 5-minute volume and then just see if I can get a double pump. Why can you explain where's the value? Bro, the only value in meme coins is fucking addiction and fun. Fun, that's it. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm addicted. I've never really done much, but it's just fun, to be honest. You're just in the scalp zone or investing? I haven't seen any good projects. I am in one project, but honestly I think they just fucking pulled the plug after holding for like 5 days. These motherfuckers. Yeah, they pulled the plug. Yeah, it was. Damn, it went all the way to 2. My TP was at 3. Oh, that's so sad, bro. Yeah, that's sad. I shouldn't have been greedy, because I got in at 500. Could have just got out here. That is what it is. I don't really care. No more crypto. I see the preference to be pulled by the Fed. Yep, he did say that, so everyone got to lock in. There's just not that much X potential on HUDs and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm going to go make breakfast. I appreciate you guys coming on TikTok and YouTube. I encourage you guys to drop a follow if you want to be here. I'm here every single day. I'm here. We'll talk. We'll make it happen. Take care, everybody. Peace. Take care, Richard. Someone said further shorts from now. I would wait to see what lunch does. You could short this 30-minute FEG, but it's not going to be A+. Maybe you can find a B setup. Maybe a quick scalp. Maybe change the state delivery. I don't know. It's all you, bro. Take care, brothers.